Hi everyone, it's Chris back for Wholesaling 101. Today we're going to talk about the entries into real estate. Obviously you can go the agent route. I'm going to use Phoenix as kind of a reference point because I'm from Phoenix. We have 88,000 agents in Phoenix. We only have a couple hundred wholesalers to give you an idea of the difference. So let's talk about wholesaling. Step one is we need to find a property. And we market to those properties on different lists. Some of those lists might be a divorce list, a back taxes list. That means they owe back property taxes. The third list might be an absentee owner list. What does absentee owner mean? It means that they're absent from the property. They own the property, but they don't live there. It could be a rental property. Our second step is we make an offer. We negotiate our offer. I'm going to use this example throughout all the videos that we have in this segment. We're going to use the ARV of the property is $200,000. ARV stands for after repaired value. My company likes to offer 65 to 70% of ARV. So in that example, it's $130,000 to $140,000. Let's say we negotiate this particular property at $130,000. We then, once we have a signed contract, open escrow with either a title company or a law office. In the United States, we have 32 title states and we have 18 lawyer states. You open escrow with your signed contract and your earnest money deposit, EMD. A lot of times that is negotiable. So sometimes I get in with zero EMD, or I might offer $500. So in this example, use $500. We'll take our contract, we'll take our $500 check, and we will open escrow. We then have step number 4, the inspection period. This is our time to look and evaluate the property. But really what we're doing in this inspection period, which is standard at 10 days, we are looking for our fix and flip buyer. So we can wholesale our property or assign the contract to our fix and flip buyer. What that means is they're going to get the property and close on it for us, and we are going to make the difference between our $130,000 and what we market the property for. In this example, let's use $140,000. That means there's a delta of $10,000. And our last step, once we find our fix and flip buyer, we can locate him at a local RIA, Real Estate Investor Association, a Facebook group, networking with like-minded business entrepreneur fix and flippers, and lots of others. There's another video called The Buyer's List down below. And our step number 6 is close our deal. In this example, we had a $200,000 ARV. We purchased it for $130,000. We assigned it to our fix and flip buyer for $140,000, and we are collecting a $10,000 check.